Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I've been cooking everything in the oven all at once to save on energy, and most of the food here was reduced. I bought a reduced roast chicken, one of those tasty ones, and that was reduced to just over £3.40. So I thought, well, I'll stick it in the oven while it's fresh. I bought some reduced sausages. So they'll get eaten either with the chicken or on sandwiches. I've done some baked potatoes as usual, great for lunches. I did the last of my veggies, whole courgette, whole carrot, a little red onion and a leek, all chopped into pieces with olive oil and garlic and basil, and my usual chicken sautés. So yeah, this should do us for a few days, and it's just a great way of saving a bit of energy. So just for about 10 minutes I'm just going to brown these potatoes for a bit longer, and while they're browning I'm going to throw in a garlic baguette because the oven's on. So yeah, I'm just fed up with my bills being so high, and even though on July the 1st we got a little bit of reduction, it's just like the bills are still far too high. So bye for now, and could you please like, share and subscribe.